Now, some of you have maybe tried looking into what we call postural braces or posture correctors, and some of you may have been overwhelmed by some of the things that you've seen on the internet. But what we want to do with this video today is to put this all into perspective, show you some of the pros and cons as to how you should use this and why you should be using them. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. AJ from the Active Family Chiropractic and Wellness Center in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. And for this video, we're going to be going over some of the pros and cons for using postural correctors such as these. Now, don't forget to like our video, subscribe to find out about our future videos as well, and turn on the notification bell so you're the first to know when those videos do come out. So we want to go over some of the pros for using a posture corrector or posture brace. And again, there's a lot of variations out there, but at the end of the day, what they serve as is a constant reminder to keep yourself in proper posture. All right, and a lot of people, what they'll do is, especially when they're working in front of a desk, we end up getting into this rounded posture. But then when you feel the resistance coming from the corrector itself, again, it'll be a mental note for you to get yourself back into that proper posture and carry it going forward from there. Also, on top of that, another good pro for using these things is that they're cost effective. You won't break the bank in using these. And again, a simple solution there to remind yourself to get yourself in a good posture.
So the negative aspect of using something like this called the postural corrector is that it may not correct your posture at all. Now, there are three underlying causes of poor posture, right? One is structurally your alignment is just off. So something that, you know, as a chiropractor we look at is how healthy your overall alignment of the spine is. Because if you have poor alignment, that may be an impediment of improving your posture. The second reason is that a lot of the postural correction cannot be done unless the tightening of the front end muscles is actually loosened up. Okay, so we do need to work in terms of stretching the anterior muscles here, the pec and the shoulder muscles. The third aspect that you need to look at is the back muscles. Are those back muscles strong enough? And you know, if you look at some of our previous videos, you can actually see some of those exercises that can actually improve your overall posture as well. Something to look at. Another thing that can actually potentially cause a problem in this area here is when you put something that's restricting in these areas, there are actually, this is an area that has what's called the brachial plexus, and the brachial plexus has nerves that branches out and goes into your hands. So is it really truly healthy to have something that is constricting against something that is so important as nerves that goes down into your arms, from your neck down to your arms? So as a disclaimer, be sure to ask your chiropractor or your healthcare provider as to whether some of these postural correctors, braces are appropriate for your health. And on our next video, we are going to go over some other exercises for your posture, because aside from improving your upper body posture, you want to make sure that you check with your lower body posture as well. And don't forget, if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe and like, and also put some comments at the bottom. And remember, a healthy spine is a healthy life.
Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe and click the notification bell to see our weekly videos.
To learn more about how Wellness Chiropractic and the Active Family Chiropractic and Wellness Center can help you with your chronic pain problems, please visit www.wellnesschiropractor.com.
The Active Family Chiropractic and Wellness Center is located at 80 Queen Street South in Mississauga, Ontario, L5M1K4.